Welcome back to Davos video. In our last video, we went over image alignment. Today, we're going to be talking about tree order. Let's get into it. When we say tree order, we're referring to the sequence of pages, parent and child, in the tree on the left-hand side. You can set specific tree positions for various pages, or you can set more broad sorting rules. For instance, let's go ahead and order the 8 child pages of our WikidPad reference page. To do that, we're going to be using this code here. So I'll copy that, and then we will jump straight into our color page. We'll paste that here, and then replace the pound sign with a number, something between 1 and 10,000. In this case, I'm looking to organize the pages in order of importance, with example pages near the bottom. So we'll give this page the number 3. Next, we will do our contacts example page and give it the number 4. We'll give our contact template page the number 5. We'll give our example template page the number 6. We're going to give the holy crap page the number 1. We'll give the form page number 2. Our image alignment examples page will be number 7. And the Great Escape will become number 8. Now, as I continue to add more pages to the wiki reference, these first 8 pages will retain their order no matter the number of pages that I add. So let's add another page here. We'll just call it tree position test and wait for it to populate into the tree at the left-hand side. We can see here that tree position test, as it does not have a sort order, is now present after the 8th. Alternatively, we can use a more general sorting attribute called the child sort order. With the child sort order, there are a few more options. Let's go to the Great Escape and create a few more pages. Now that we have a few pages generated, let's define our child sort order. From our WikidPad reference page, I'm going to copy the child sort order code and paste it into the Great Escape. Now we have a few options for what we can put here. First, we have ascending, which will sort child pages alphabetically in ascending order. Next, we have descending, which will sort child pages alphabetically, but in descending order. Next, we have mod oldest. This will sort the pages by modification date, oldest first. Then we have mod newest, which will sort child pages by modification date, newest first. Next, we have unsorted. The program will make no attempt to sort any of the pages. This is also the fastest and least resource demanding sorting method. Lastly, we have natural. The natural sort order will sort each of the child pages in the order in which they appear in the parent page. It should be noted that the developers of WikidPad note that this does not always work. I have not had any issues personally with the natural child sort order. Another thing to note with child sort order is that you can also use this attribute in the global settings to control the default sort order for the entire wiki. If you don't set your own sorting attribute for the wiki, the natural default is ascending. So now that we know what we have, let's test it out on our Great Escape pages. You can see here that the page is currently listing each of the child pages in alphabetical order, numbers first. So let's try it with a natural sort order. Now we can see that with a natural sort order, each of the child pages are showing in the order in which they appear on the page. Next, let's try mod oldest. In this case, it is sorting them alphabetically because none of the pages have been modified. As I make changes, you can see that the sort order on the left-hand side is auto-updating. And now we can see that Zerabithia, having not been edited, therefore being the oldest page, is now stacked at the top, followed in order by the pages that I edited, newest at the bottom. Let's flip it around and use newest. We can see here now that Zerabithia is at the bottom, with the most recently edited page sitting at the top. This is a really great way to keep track of how and when you've modified pages and what you need to work on next. So these are 2 ways that you can control the page order in your wiki. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments, and we'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Godspeed.